In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gallery page in Squarespace. We'll go through the full setup process, from creating the page to customizing the way your gallery looks. This is a great option if you want to showcase photography, portfolio pieces, products, events, or any visual content in a clean and organized way. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This is where you'll manage the main structure and design of your site. Once you're there, click on Pages. The Pages area is where you can create, organize, and manage all the pages on your website. Next, look for the Not Linked section and click the plus icon there. Creating the gallery in Not Linked is useful if you want to build it first before adding it to your main navigation. It gives you a little more flexibility while you're setting things up. From the menu that appears, click on Gallery. Squarespace will then ask you to choose a template for the gallery page. Go ahead and select the template that best matches the style you want. Don't worry too much if you're unsure at this point, because you'll still be able to customize the gallery afterward. After choosing the template, name your gallery. Pick a clear and descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your site has multiple pages. Once the gallery page has been created, click on Edit. This opens the page editor where you can start adjusting the content and layout. Inside the editor, click on Edit Gallery. This is where you'll manage the images that appear on the page. At this stage, you can remove any existing placeholder images if you don't need them, or click the plus icon to upload your own images. This is the key step where your gallery starts becoming personalized. As you upload, try to use high-quality images for the best visual result, and keep your image style consistent if you want a more polished look. After your images are in place, click on Edit section. This area controls how the gallery is displayed on the page. From there, you can choose the gallery type you prefer. Depending on your design goals, you may want a layout that feels more like a slideshow, a grid, or something more immersive and visual. Take a moment to preview how the images look in the selected style so you can decide what works best for your content. And that's it. You've now created a gallery page in Squarespace, added your own images, and adjusted the layout to fit your site's style.